There you go. Now you're GoProing. Okay, go for it. Just take care of the person behind you climbing down the rock, and be careful. Okay? If you horse around, it's slick and it's a fall. You will fall. You will get hurt. So you need to take care of yourself and take care of your buddies. Take care of the person in front of you and the person behind you. We're not going fast, guys. We're not in a hurry. We're taking
I'm
our time.
GoProing.
You have a GoPro? Oh.
Yeah, he gave me one.
Holy crap.
Whoa! Yeah, it's slippery.
Take your time.
Okay.
Put your finger in my mouth.
Remember,
No.
attention contact.
I don't think
Keep your
so.
Center of gravity low.
Sorry, man.
Ooh, a sniffer
Where do we go
slide.
next?
Hold on.
Please wait.
Okay, take care of everyone else behind you.
Very good. Very good. You're doing good.
I'm sitting on my
Okay. You guys,
actually
you come in through here.
Okay, when you go through this hole, you have to go in sideways. With both feet out in front of you. Through the hole first, and then lower yourself through.
Oh, so no bags?
I don't think you can do it with a bag. You gotta push your bag out.
Charlie, how tight is it?
You gotta get in a position.
My bag is pretty. Mine is pretty thick. It seems uncomfortable. Yo, where do I put my bag? Where?
Just, here, toss it down, I'll grab it. Here.
Okay, so like sideways and then slowly go down. Like this. Right? Yeah, but your foot's flat. They're like, go down.
Here. And then just slide down.
Can you go over top of me, please?
I'm GoProing.
Dylan, my back. Oh, I got you. That's heavy. What do you have in this? That's it?
Dylan.
Okay.
Dylan.
Oh, sorry. So glad I have a helmet right now. Woo, we going down there?
I don't know. Connor, I'm GoProing.
Everybody do the most random stuff.
I'm a pro goer.
Like that.
Oh, you go. I'm pretty sure. No.
We can wait for Peters to move.
I think you go down there. Try to catch epic footage.
Ooh, water.
Everybody
I
smile.
want to drink that so bad.
Smile.
I can't get my other strap. Ew, that water tastes disgusting.
What? I have a GoPro.
Cave water is disgusting. Guys, I can't get my other strap. Can you give me my other strap?
Here, can you move? I'm gonna take footage.
Charlie. Wait, I need to go. Nah, it should be Natalie.
I don't either.
What?
The guy gave it to me. Ellen gave it to me.
Oh, wow.
I'm having a hard time. Yeah, there's.
Clay.
Go in sideways.
Ooh.
Feet first, and keep two hands on the wall. Go 2 feet, put it off this ledge. No, go feet first. And then 2 hands, and then just slide off. Shoot. Oh no.
Look sideways. Like, facing this. Whoa, what the flew? It was Charlie. Charlie, you good? Like someone threw like a diaper at him. That's what I thought at first. Because I saw his helmet and I thought, get a little diaper!
I'm catching epic footage of down here. That's what I'm doing.
Wait, is it recording?
Which way are we going, Charlie?
Hi! Hey, that's over there's mom.
Can you shut up, Dylan? Like, now is not the time.
What it done?
Let it fucking go, Dylan. What it doing? Fucking roll it down.
Watch your mouth. We're gonna be on YouTube someday.
No, you separate the pieces, please.
Who is that?
Who's
Watching us.
Fuck. I'm
being
fucking
spied
dying
on.
in here because nobody can do
Being
shit.
spied on.
Watch your mouth.
Is that Alan? Who is he?
You do not boss everybody around.
What is that?
It was like choking me.
Oh, I didn't know. Wait.
You.
I was about to say you could have said that, but then mind I forgot. You can't talk while you're joking.
Is that Nana?
Shut up.
Wait, not Nana.
Stop.
I meant Alan. I meant Alan. No, I'm sorry.
Who? What did you say?
Alan.
Is it? Hello? How are you?
Okay, now hold me.
No. It is Alan. Okay. I thought it was like a dead person. Just like linkre.
Gangnam Style. Charlie, which way do we go, please? Gangnam Style. What the heck? Which way do we go?
What about Gangnam Style?
I don't know. Find a passage.
Gangnam Style.
Find a passage. Found one.
No, I don't know if we go that way.
Yeah, no, there's no
Which
way
way do we go, please?
The only way to go forward is that way.
We go that way.
No, this way has an open.
Alan, how do we get out?
Charlie, so we're
Guys, there's a way this way.
That way. Back of the room, to the left, there's something behind the rock. There's baskets of fight behind the rock.
Boys, next.
Behind the rock.
Yo, who's going this way with me?
Behind this rock, I think.
Dylan, you going this way?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Well, it depends. It's gonna be the faster way.
How thin is it?
Oh, that is really
Fire
good.
is the last one out.
It's long.
That was risky.
Charlie, remember the danger noodles? Danger noodles? What?
Yeah.
From the camping trip.
I'll
Oh yeah, totally.
go
When
this
I
way.
gotten bit, and you blamed me for it. How did I blame you? Yes, you did. You said, "Well, it was kind of your fault." Like,
Dang it, you're right.
I'll go this way. I'll be behind you, Luke. Okay.
oh, this is my fault.
Yeah.
What? Get your flashlight. Where? Oh. Okay.
I hate this. My Pro Go
Careful.
gets in the way.
Over.
I should have brought a camera. That would actually be cool. But the camera I have at my house though is pretty fragile because it's very, very old. I brought it to a school dance and I got in trouble for it.
I'll help you and Dylan.
What's old?
What? My camera.
Probably the weakest climber.
Me.
Oh, that looks really tight.
Wait, I need my bag.
You good, Connor?
I need my bag on.
Two.
Bro, stop. Like actually. I'm gonna record you guys, okay?
Go down this way.
I'm recording you guys.
Yeah, we gotta need a little more. Oh yeah, I can take that. I wouldn't come through yet.
Yes, I know,
Guys,
but
go
it's
this
gonna
way.
take down a while.
Let's give him some room to come through, guys.
James.
Here's the food.
James 2. I'm recording you.
Where'd you get that?
Alan.
Oh.
Mine's a special helmet.
That way.
Special.
How special? Very special. Oh, I found a turd. Oh, wait, that's not. It was clay. False alarm. Ow.
You're there.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Where do we go though?
I gotta catch this on camera.
I wanted to make sure it wasn't just a little ledge I was sitting on and then,
You're doing that.
James, I'm recording you.
oh, that's lovely.
Guys, go in the space over here.
Ow.
You got that on camera, or at least on audio.
Oh, a bear.
Ow, my shin.
Hold on, what did he mean? Okay.
Ow, I banged my shin and it hurts.
How is the bear getting Charlie things that leave from there?
Alright.
No, there can't
Okay, is
be.
there a way, are we going that way?
I'm just making it up.
We gotta go up that way, right?
You don't have to.
You can be surprised how black air.
Wait, can I go that way?
You will be surprised.
It looks like that's where everybody is.
The only
so-
bad thing about a GoPro is it hits
But
the.
there's nothing up there, right?
Simon's up there.
Or not
Simon?
Allen's up there.
Simon Allen?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. So yeah.
No, not down there.
So that's why I said it.
We're going this way.
Get some help to boost you up, okay?
This part is kind of hard to climb up.
I'm pretty sure we did go that way last year. What, this way? Yeah.
3,
You have to
2.
climb up and then you have to shimmy through and then you're up top there. I don't remember if there was a way right here too or not. There is. You can see the light there. Everybody else is. Okay.
Somebody go that way?
I got it.
Don't give me the fist.
Hey, Gary, Jack, can you come?
Yeah. I'm good. I'm perfectly fine. I'm just trying not to record just the ground.
Watch for the holes.
Yeah.
Also watch your head.
Around up there. I know we did that last year because we had trouble getting the first person up there.
I'm trying to record everything.
So you know you can tilt the GoPro, right? Yeah. Don't get your arm stuck.
Try to look for something to grip onto.
You just kind of have to shimmy on the front. And then Charlie, watch out, there's a hole right by where your hand is.
Yeah, I know.
Come on.
You got this.
Say over here, because I can't see you.
Dylan,
All right.
need to move your head. You're about to hit a wall.
So remember, I have to duck even lower.
You can tilt it, go. It's so hot.
It is pretty hot. I gotta take off my.
I want to drink a cave water. Minerals. And then we're going that way next.
We can either go this way or that way.
I can that way.
Yo.
That one you were playing this to, you've never been to. What were the directions for that again?
Okay. I'm gonna come and show you.
Do you want to go that
I
way?
don't know how far it goes.
Wait, what's
I don't
this
think it goes
way?
very far, but
I'll find out for you.
Alan,
Yo.
we're probably gonna go through the cove the opposite way.
All right.
Okay? Wait, what's the opposite way? This way. We're gonna go that way. Is that the keyhole?
Back here.
No.
No, we're climbing up with Charlie. Okay. Here, wait. Yo, I'm gonna climb next. Down? No, up.
You're gonna have to go. Wait.
Go down here to
Or do we want to follow Alan?
Alan.
Alan!
right there.
I'm following Alan.
Yeah.
Do we climb up?
Close if you poke down into it, but I
I think we might go that way.
never been
Yeah,
down.
I'm gonna go that way.
Hold on. Alan,
Yo.
we go that way, right?
No.
Just straight?
Either back towards me or the other direction.
Or just that way?
Other direction.
Does it open up somewhere?
Do we climb
It
up
opens up a little bit.
on the top?
I can't
Oh,
tell.
this goes to here? All right, thank you. Okay, come this way. Yeah, I'll show you where. Okay, guys, come on back here. Come towards me.
Oh, I can't spin.
Towards me.
I can't spin.
Okay, don't stand up too high.
Dylan, you're gonna have to move. I'm slipping down. You guys coming? Move forward. I'm trying to. Peters, don't go towards deck yet. Come towards the light. Deck. Don't get your bag. Charlie, can you make sure everyone gets there?
Yeah.
It's not bad. It opens up to another room.
That'll make for some good footage.
Are you gonna wait there for them?
Yeah.
All right.
Coming down.
So then I can record them too.
the upper pass that way, Alan? Or?
Yeah.
Alright.
Especially when I worked out yesterday on my chest and stuff like that. Okay.
Okay, can you stay there and look for everyone else to make sure?
Me?
Yeah. Would you be fine with that? Looking out for, to make sure.
Where you want?
Okay. I'm gonna start heading towards Jackson. Hey Eric, I'm recording.
How's it going, Charlie?
Good.
How many people are left down that way?
I don't know.
Luke Peters. I'm coming. There's Luke M. and then there's Jason.
Jackson, say hi.
Hi. Whose GoPro's up?
Alan's.
Oh, okay.
Because mine had the GoPro thing on it. The attachment. Oh.
You know there.
Yeah, wait till you get the spot you want to, yeah, gotta stick to the crack.
Alright.
Okay, because if you lean out this way some, if you slip, you fall all the way down to here.
Alright, well, let's not do that.
This is all